Hey everyone. So, if you want to build a professional resume step by step using Zety, yeah, this guide is perfect for beginners. I'll walk you through everything from start to finish so you can create a clean, job ready resume. First, go to Zety and click on Create Resume. This opens the resume builder where you'll start from scratch. Now choose a clean, professional template. For most jobs, simple designs work best because they're easy to read. Next, add your contact details at the top. Include your full name, phone number, email, and optionally your LinkedIn profile. Now write a short summary about yourself. This should explain who you are, your skills, and what kind of job you're looking for. Next, add your work experience. Start with your most recent job and include your role, company name, dates, and key achievements. Now add your education details like school or college name, degree, and graduation year. Next, add your skills. Focus on skills that match the job you're applying for, like communication, teamwork, or technical skills. Before finishing, carefully review your resume. Check spelling, formatting, and make sure everything looks clean and professional. Finally, download your resume. You can export it as a PDF or Word file if you have a paid plan, or use the text version and format it yourself. And that's it. Now you know how to build a professional resume step by step in Zety.